Hello students, how are you today? In today's video, we will learn how you can improve your pronunciation and fluency. Let's start the video. Even if you practice a lot, but still struggle with your pronunciation and fluency, and you see more green and red, yellow colors in your words, don't worry. To improve fluency, you need to first focus on your pronunciation because if you can't pronounce well, your fluency won't be good either. To improve pronunciation, you should be able to pronounce words correctly. And for that, if you are taking the help of English stories, novels, English newspapers, it is less likely that you will get better results. To improve pronunciation, you need to listen. Because most of the time, we think we are pronouncing words correctly, but when we start listening, we realize that we are wrong somewhere. For example, in Punjabi language, truck is often pronounced as truck more often. And you will find many such words where you think you are pronouncing correctly, but it's wrong. So how to improve them? To improve pronunciation, start listening to English speeches, stories on YouTube, which will help you know where you are pronouncing incorrectly. You should definitely watch 1 or 2 videos daily. If you do this consistently, you will see a lot of improvement within a few days. Now let's talk about fluency. How to improve it? Well, to improve fluency, when you are reading aloud, retelling, or practicing, pay attention to how you are pronouncing. Is your tongue trembling? Or are you speaking too fast under pressure? For example, India and Dubai are connected by a train running through the sea. Don't do this. If you pronounce like this, you won't improve. You need to pronounce it relaxedly and peacefully like this. India and Dubai are connected by a train running through the sea. Pronounce like this, calmly and relaxedly at a normal speed. This will improve your fluency and pronunciation a lot. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. And let us know how you like our videos, and tell us what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Best of luck for your exams.